Dear learners, today's discussion is on Gauss's law and Coulomb's law. Before attending this lecture, you are advised to listen my previous lecture on electric field and electric flux. Now we state Gauss's law. The electric flux phi E of a closed surface is proportional to the charge Q within the surface. I repeat, the electric flux phi E of a closed surface is proportional to the charge inside the surface. That is Q divided by electric flux phi E equal to a constant. And this is represented by epsilon naught. It is called permittivity of the free space. It has the value 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. Or epsilon naught phi E equal to Q. This is Gauss's law. Phi E is the surface integral of the electric field over the closed surface. That is, phi E equal to closed integral E dot ds. Therefore, the Gauss's law can be written as epsilon naught closed integral of E dot ds equal to charge Q. This is another form of Gauss's law. From this law, we can derive Coulomb's law. Let us consider a charge Q at O. P be the point at a distance r from O. The electric field at P is along OP, as shown in figure. As Q is a positive charge, the electric field acts along a direction away from the charge. We imagine a sphere of radius r with the center at O. This imaginary surface is called Gaussian surface. It includes P on it. We select a differential surface around P ds. Its direction is outward normal to the surface along E. ds is a vector. Its direction is the outward normal to the surface. The electric flux of the surface element ds is d phi E equal to E dot ds. That is E ds and cos 0 equal to E ds. The total flux of the Gaussian surface phi E equal to integration E ds, closed integration. The magnitude of the electric field E everywhere on the surface is constant. Therefore, we can write E closed integration ds. Integration ds is 4 pi r square, the surface area of the Gaussian surface, 4 pi r square. Now, according to Gauss's law, epsilon naught phi E equal to Q. That is, epsilon naught E 4 pi r square equal to Q. Therefore, E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square. The force on a charge Q dash at P equal to Q dash E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q dash divided by r square. This is Coulomb's law. F equal to C Q dash divided by r square, where C equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. That is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Thus, we can derive Coulomb's law from Gauss's law.